The purpose of today's lesson is to understand lines that are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are opposite reciprocals. And I'm going to show you some examples. It's a little more challenging than parallel. And when I do perpendicular slopes, I'll do an M, and this sign, perpendicular sign, is this way because it means these two lines form a right angle. All right. If we have to find the slope of a perpendicular line. The slope of this line is 3. The slope of a perpendicular line is you take 3 over 1, you flip it, and you change its sign. So it's positive to negative and flip. Okay? So the slope of this line is a negative 2/3. The slope of perpendicular is flip this, 3 over 2, and it's negative, so it becomes positive. The slope of this line is a -1. I'll put it -1 over 1. The perpendicular slope is flip it. You still get 1 over 1, negative to positive. Okay. The slope of this line is -2 over 1. The slope of a perpendicular line is flip it, 1 over 2, positive or negative to positive. So notice these are always opposite. One's positive, one's negative. That's perpendicular lines. Okay? Same thing here. We get to do this. We are going to first name the slope. It's 4 over 1, and the y-intercept is 9. What is the slope of line B? Well, I need a perpendicular to that, so I flip it and change its sign. So now the slope is -1/4. It's going to pass through 4, -7. So let's see where that is. 4, -7. And I said it was a negative slope. So it's going to go up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. It's going to be going downhill. Oh boy, downhill. That's line B. And I should have done line A. Where's that? 4x plus 9. Let's make this blue. So start at 9. Up 4. Can't go up 4, so I have to go down 4. But I have to make sure I'm going to have it a positive slope. So down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. That's going to be positive. 4 over 1. Up 1 over 4. Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 2, 3, 4 over 1. Boy, those sure don't look perpendicular. What the heck? 9. Flip it. Something's amiss. Oh, there it is. Ah, boy, that's terrible. Let's check this out here. Now, were you with me on this? I'm making this go downhill. I'm supposed to be going the other way. Oh, good. I have to redo. Okay, there it is. 4, down 4. I need to go this way over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. There it goes. Now this is going to look perpendicular. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, because this forms a right angle right there. Okay? And I have to write an equation, I'm guessing. Yes, it's way down there, but I'm going to write it up here. So y equals, I'm going to do green. Y equals, let's see, -1/4 x, and I know my y-intercept, and that is at -6. Okay, next one. Oh, we have to rewrite this. We have to get this in slope-intercept form. So it's going to be y equals 3/2 x plus 4. The slope is 3/2. Y-intercept is 4. What is the slope of line B? I need a perpendicular slope to 3/2. Flip it, change the sign. and it passes through 3, 7. All right, and down to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's draw that line. This is line B. And line A starts at 4. Let's do that in blue. Line A starts at 4 and it goes up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2. 1, 2, 3 over 2, and they're perpendicular. Oh boy, missed that completely. There it is. And that is line A. What's the equation of line B? Well, let's see if we could keep going here. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. So it does cross. So my y-intercept is 9. So I don't have to do any figuring out. I was able to count up and over. So the slope is negative 2/3 x, and the y-intercept is 9. You go me. All right? Let's see. In the following, find the equation of line B, which is perpendicular to A and passes through 3, 7. Okay? So perpendicular to this one, this slope is negative 3 over 1, so the perpendicular slope has to be, flip it, change the sign, okay, and it passes through 3, 7. Well, we have to go back to the old equation where this is x, that's y, and plug things in. Good. I like it when they make the numbers match, so it makes it easier for us. Makes me a happy camper. B is 6, so y equals 1/3 x plus 6. Okay. Slope is negative 1/2. Y-intercept is negative 2. I didn't really need to do that. Perpendicular. Flip it. 2. Change the sign. Got it. The point is 2, 4. Substitute n. 2 times 2 plus b. 4 equals 4 plus b, so b has to be nothing. So y equals 2x. All right. The following, determine if the following sets are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. All right, let's take a look. This slope is 3/4. This slope is 3/4. That means they're parallel. Same slope. This slope is 3/4. This slope is negative 3/4. Neither. They didn't flip. They only changed the sign. Slope is 3/4. Slope is 4/3. They flipped, but I also needed them to change the sign. Slope is 3/4. Slope is negative 4/3. Two changes, opposite reciprocal. That means they would be perpendicular. Okay, you got these last two. Oh, there's some on the other side too. We got more problems. Okay. How about doing 17, 18? You got this. 19 and 20. These are all set up for you. Alright, this one we're going to have to do because this takes some thinking. We're going to have to subtract 6x. So then I get 3y equals negative 6x plus 18. Divide everything by 3. Y equals negative 2x plus 6. So the slope here is 1/2. The slope here is negative 2, which is 2 over 1. So this would be perpendicular. Let's distribute the 4, negative 4x plus 8, that's a negative in front of there, add 6x, y equals 2x plus 8. Oh, I gotta do this one too. Subtract 4x, so negative 2y equals negative 4x. minus 6, divide by 2, so y equals 2x minus 3. This slope is 2, this slope is 2, parallel. Boom! Okay, don't get up. Nope, stay where you are. Determine whether the lines through the pairs of points are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Oh, no. Well, we could graph them, or we could find the slope of this first one, which would be 3 minus 1 over, remember how to find the slope? Go this way, and then 2 minus a negative 3, so it'd be 2 over 5. All right. Then this one, I shouldn't have written so big. Let's go 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 over negative 1 minus a negative 3. So the slope is negative 5 over 2. Ooh, this slope is 2/5. This slope is negative 5/2. What does that tell you? That tells you they are perpendicular. So this is nothing new you're learning here. Nothing new. So find the slope of this one, find the slope of this one, and then if they're the same, parallel is same slope, perpendicular. Uh-oh, shh, girls, I'm recording, thank you. Those silly girls. That was Natalie and Cora. Okay, no names. Okay, this concludes our lesson on perpendicular lines. Hi, Nate.